Falling from a ladder is one of the most common causes of injury across the construction industry, and we, as roof tilers, have to live with and manage this risk daily. Here are some key things to remember and apply when using a ladder, so that we all get to go home safely every day. Step 1. Pre-job assessment. The key part of starting any job, large or small, is to go through a thorough pre-start process. As part of the pre-start, make sure everyone on your crew is qualified, trained and experienced in what they will be doing, and everyone knows what to do that day. Check with your supervisor if you're not sure. A quick call can help prevent injuries and accidents. Check the area where you're going to be using a ladder for any hazards and risks that may affect you, putting the best controls in place before starting work. Make sure everyone on the crew is fully aware of and familiar with the emergency response plan in case someone does have a fall. Step 2. Choosing your ladder. Industrial grade straight ladders are a must in our industry, so check the label on your ladder to make sure you're using one. The ladder needs to be in good condition and well maintained. Step 3. Setting up your straight ladder. Let's look at setting up your industrial straight ladder, which you'll use almost every day at work. Level ground conditions are the first thing to consider when setting up your ladder. Check that you set up on a solid base and on material that will not allow the ladder to slip. Secure the bottom of the ladder or have someone hold the bottom of your ladder before you climb it to secure the top. The ladder needs to be set up at a 1:4 ratio to provide safe movement onto and off the roof. For single-storey homes, that is approximately 750mm out from the gutter line. You also must set up at approved access points, and the ladder must extend at least 900mm past your step-off point on the roof. Furthermore, the regulation may actually be 1 metre in some states, so check with your supervisor if you're not sure. Step 4. Safe use of the ladder. Once you've safely set up, it's important that only one person is on the ladder at a time, and that they always go up and down with 3 points of contact. Where possible, you should use other equipment or systems to get materials up to the roof. Where you need to work off a ladder, stay at least 900mm below the top of the ladder, and as a rule of thumb, work with your belt buckle between the ladder stiles at all times to prevent overbalancing. And finally, as you finish your job and look at taking down your ladder, get someone to hold the bottom while you unsecure the top and come down. The roof tiling industry does not recommend using a step ladder to access the roof. By remembering and following these key steps when using ladders, we can all go home safely every day. Think smart before you start. Keep safety in mind. It will save you behind.